I'm just gonna record it. Eat some grapes, Bernie.
Are you like tasting it or what the hell are you doing? Like that's Christine.
It's Christine. Oh, something got a boner.
Ew.
Stop looking down her shirt.
And that's why he got wet up here.
Johanna.
Oh my.
That's mom. Who the hell is
David's
Johanna?
mom. My mom. Me?
I just got it. That's funny.
You get it.
Johanna. That's about.
How many minks? Minks? Mink, huh?
Where?
What, Ewing?
Let's look innocent.
What did he wave to?
Me.
Oh, I thought he waved to me. I'm like...
The last grape.
I got all creeped out.
I didn't wait to me.
The last grape.
Okay.
I got all creeped out. I was like, oh crap, it's Coons.
She's still recording.